Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment and don't forget to share. So let's get straight into the video. And I'm back with another amazing video. So today we're preparing the honeycomb scones using a jiko. We have ingredients here. We have 1 kg of flour, we have yeast, a jug of water, we have sugar, we have salt, we have 2 eggs, and we have cooking oil. So first of all, start by boiling your cooking oil, because in this procedure you're going to use hot oil. So after that, in our wheat flour, you're going to add 4 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of salt, and 2 spoons of yeast. Then mix them properly. Then after adding the dry ingredients, you can now add the hot cooking oil and your 2 eggs. Then mix it properly. After adding your cooking oil and your eggs, mix it properly. So after everything is mixed properly, start adding water. I used warm water. Add water to make a dough. After you're done arranging your doughs in the sufuria, take a nylon paper, then start applying oil on the topmost part of the doughs. After you're done applying oil on the topmost part of the doughs, cover it again for 15 minutes, then you can start baking your scones. So when you're baking your scones using a jiko, you take a metal sheet, then place it on top of the sufuria. As you saw, my sufuria, it's a bit deeper and it's a bit heavier, so on the topmost part I'm going to add a lot of charcoal, but in the bottom part, in the jiko, I'm not going to add a lot of charcoal. But when you're using a lighter sufuria, don't use a lot of charcoal. It might burn your scones. So the way I kept a lot of charcoal on top of the metal sheet, it took me 20 minutes to bake my scones, and you have the results here. They just look so awesome. So the procedure is not that hard. And you have our honeycomb scones here. They just look so amazing. So if you really enjoyed my video, please don't forget giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video. So till next time, bye.